Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. If you're dealing with a PlayStation blinking orange light in 2025, don't panic. It's a common issue that can often be fixed quickly. Today, we're diving into the steps to get your PS5 back up and running smoothly. Let's jump right in. First things first, what does that blinking orange light mean? On a PlayStation 5, it typically signals that the console is in rest mode, experiencing a power glitch, or possibly overheating. The good news is, most fixes are straightforward and can be done at home. Step 1. Start with the basics. Press the power button on your console once to see if it wakes up from rest mode. If nothing happens, hold the power button for about 7 seconds to force a shutdown, then press it again to restart. Step 2. Check your power connections. Ensure the power cable is securely plugged into both the console and the wall outlet. Try using a different outlet or cable to rule out any faults there. A loose connection is a frequent culprit. Step 3. Make sure your PlayStation is in a well-ventilated area. Overheating can trigger this light, so dust off any vents, move it away from enclosed spaces, and let it cool down if it's been running for a while. Step 4. Update your system software. If your console boots up, go to Settings, System Software Update and install any available updates. This can resolve software-related glitches causing the orange light. Step 5. If the problem persists, perform a hard reset. Unplug the power cord from the back of the console, wait for 10 minutes, and then plug it back in and turn it on. This clears temporary issues. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's time to contact PlayStation support. They can help with hardware problems or guide you further. Thanks for watching, gamers. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay tuned for more 2025 tech fixes. See you next time.